Heat pumps aren't just another fad technology. They are a technology which is used already around the world. Often it's a sort of a quiet hero in the background. And they're really a cornerstone of the journey to decarbonising heat in buildings, but also the integration of buildings into a clean energy system. They're incredibly efficient. They really are, from a performance perspective, one of the most efficient technologies you can get. So in a world where we're rapidly decarbonising the electricity system and we keep seeing these cost falls in renewables and in storage, heat pumps, because they use electricity, are increasingly economic for both cutting emissions by producing clean hot water and heating. In many cases, particularly where you're switching from fossil fuels, heat pumps cost more up front. To recognise that, but that's no different to any sort of energy technology really, which is a long-term investment, whether that be a gas grid or a power station. There are high capital costs associated with renewables, but low cost, very low operational costs. And policy's got to reflect that, and it's the role of government and policymakers really to look at the long term and not the short term. And if you were to look at the short term, we'd give everyone, electric, which is very cheap to fit. You can heat hot water very easily, you can heat rooms very easily, but it's got really high running costs and the emissions aren't great. And it's the role of policymakers really to sort that issue out, to make sure that those long-term costs are reflected.